You know, people have been asking me how they can do those effects, how they can put filters on their face using their webcam, like for a Zoom meeting or something. I mean, you can do it in a lot of apps, but how do you do it on your computer? I mean, I can go from having blue eyes to having one of those funny faces to being an avocado to even being the President of the United States. It only takes a few minutes. Let me show you. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take a look at our computer screen. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is download an app which will allow you to create these filters, and it's called Lens Studio, and it may be familiar because it's owned by Snapchat. Right, so it's basically the Snapchat app that you can apply to your current Zoom or current webcam. So what's great is that it's free, and all you have to do is go download it. So I'm going to go, if you look at the tabs here, you have Lens Studio. You're actually choosing Snap Camera, and you hit download. Okay, so you go down here and you open up Snap Camera after it's installed, and then you'll be presented with this cool little screen. And if you, let me start off by saying, if you scroll down, you'll see a few categories of different types of effects, but then you have them sorted by what's top in the community. So I'm just going to give you an example. Like if I wanted to put a snorkel on my face, I could do that. If I wanted to switch and put chains on my head, be in a paper bag, all sorts of crazy little things. And then as you're looking through the lenses, if you mouse over, you have a star, which will put it in your favorites. And so as you saw earlier, I went from one face, the president, to, oh, I didn't show this one, Kermit the Frog. So there's a lot of options there. You have settings here where you can choose which camera. So I'm using a laptop camera on my laptop, and then the resolution. So this camera doesn't have a very high resolution, but that's okay because it still looks pretty good. Your microphone, and then a couple other settings that we can go over some other time. Oh, real quick, I want to jump in here. Optimize for green screen. That's important if you are using a green screen. In this video, I am not, so I'm actually turning that back off. I don't think I see much of a difference. Let me fix my face. There we go. Ugh. Yeah, so if you're just doing regular meetings, it still ends up looking really good because they put the filters on your face. Oh, that's gross. Oh my gosh. It still ends up looking a lot better than it would if you were to just record it in your meeting. So if you normally wear like makeup or do any kind of like touch-ups for your face or whatever, then you don't have to. If you look tired in the morning, it kind of helps you get on that call and not have to worry about how you look right away if you don't have time to get ready. So now we jump over to Zoom so I can show you how to set that up. So I'm just going to go actually start a new meeting with myself. Okay, connecting. Great, I'm in here. So now I'm in Zoom and I have this meeting up, and so I'm just going to make this full screen so you can see some of the controls. Now, where I have my video, there's a little up arrow. I click that. I can choose video settings and also snap camera. So I'm going to switch to the snap camera for a moment. And so, oh my gosh, so it completely changed. In fact, I'm going to go back to where you saw the Snapchat camera before. See that? So if I put an effect on in Zoom, I have that effect. Right? So it's that simple to do this. And I can do other things like change my background if I wanted to put in a virtual background, you know, like this. And so now I'm a potato hanging out with Tiger King. Then you can do that. That's really it. Super simple, right? If you have any questions, I'll answer them in the comments below. And if you like what I am sharing, please subscribe because that helps out tremendously. Have a good one.